మీ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను సురభి. I want to thank the entire audience for loving Express Raja and really happy that you all loved the film so much. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Yes, yesterday I went for the second show and I watched the film with the audience at Devi Theatres. So very excited to see their response, and they were all having a lot of fun. They were laughing, they were smiling, and really enjoyed that the entire team effort, the entire hard work of the Express Raja team has paid off. So really happy to see it on the big screen. Yeah. Sharva, he's a wonderful co-star and he's very energetic. So a lot of tips I got to learn from him on sets. He's very down to earth, and working with him was a beautiful experience, and very lucky to share screen space with such an amazing actor, and very happy. He's a true hero of the film, and I wish I work with him in future again. First of all, the audience and my parents, my mom, because she's always with me. She has been with me during the shoots, so she always tells me that, you know, put little more energy, and so she is basically the real person who actually tells me what is right, what's wrong. So yeah, Gandhi, he's a wonderful man and a very good-natured human being. Working with him has been a wonderful journey, and I didn't feel as if I had come here to work. So it was more of an enjoyment, a lot of fun we had working on the sets, and working for 50 to 52 days. I think we've become very good friends. So more than a director, I think he's more like a friend, and yeah, and I really thank him, you know, for believing in me and for having faith in me. I thank my fight master, Joshua Master, who came from Chennai with his team, and actually I didn't know there were fight scenes in this film, but it was an unexpected surprise, and very happy that the fight scenes came out really well. So I had a lot of fun beating up the bad guys and learning some kung fu, so very happy. I think only in the film, but I think it's a very unique story and a very unique way of hitting the guys, the bad guys. But I think I really enjoyed watching that scene on screen. I'm a big fan of Praveen Garu, and really thank him that I have, you know, danced to his tunes in the film. So very happy, and the way he's composed each and every song, it's from the heart, and you will just hum the songs wherever you go, be it on the streets, be it in your bathroom, wherever you go, you'll just love the music. And I think they're very peppy, very energetic, especially Colorful Chilaka. I think a lot of energy was required, especially in the dance, and the way the whole song and the energy was there, I think it was beautiful on screen. Few lines. Okay, I'll sing Ee Vinta Neediga. నీకు నాకు మధ్యలో ఇంకా ఊపియారదు, అంత దూరాన్నే చేరగా చూస్తూ ఉంటే కళ్ళలో తేలదే కలోకతో నువ్వు చేసేదే మాయగా, ఈ వింత నీదిగా నేనగా. I love pets. I own a cat and a dog. My cat is called Minnu and my dog is called Brownie. I had a lot of fun time working with all the comedians, Srinu and Saptagiri, Shakalaka Shankar, and this is the second time I'm working with Saptagiri and Shakalaka Shankar. Before this we shared screen space together in my first film Birua, so very happy that I got to share screen space with them again, and it was a lot of fun working with them, and it was a lot of learning experience working with them and matching up to their energy. So they had high levels of energy, and very lucky that I got to share screen space with them. I'm just laughing, smiling throughout. It's like a dream actually, you know, working so hard for so many days, and now people are loving this film. So I think this is the best gift of Sankranti, that the movie is a big hit and the audiences are loving it. So very happy. UV Creations, I would say that they are very good people. I think it's been a great support system from their side for making me feel very comfortable, for making the entire team very comfortable. So they treated me like a family, and very happy the way they, you know, promote the films. I think they just take the films to that level. and I thank them for giving me this opportunity, for believing in me, for having that faith in me. So I thank UV Creations. So yeah. Thank you to all the audience. Please go watch Express Raja if you haven't, and if you watched it, please go again and watch Express Raja. Thank you.